Ouch, my God, this is Snake. Oh, no, please help me.
Oh my God, viewers. Today I am back again with a brand new niche that is going extremely viral right now. This is one of the latest skeleton-style niches, using 100% free tools. So, without wasting any time, head over to YouTube and search for the channel called Mini-Me Foot. Viewers, this channel is highly engaging and currently has around 92.7 thousand subscribers. This channel is 100% monetized and earning $148 per month. It means this type of niche is monetized. Now I show the shorts section and see popular shorts. Just take a look at the numbers. 6.5 million views, 5.5 million views, 1.6 million views, 1 million views, and many more videos with hundreds of thousands of views. These numbers clearly prove that this niche is receiving massive engagement and audience interest. The reason I am showing you this channel is simple. If you create similar skeleton-style shorts with the right strategy, your videos also have the potential to go viral. Before moving forward, let me show you the master prompt that I have already prepared for you. You will find this master prompt in the video description. The amazing thing about this master prompt is that it includes everything you need: image prompts, video prompts, voiceovers, rules, character consistency instructions, seeds, and even content ideas. In short, I have done most of the hard work for you so that you can create videos much more easily. So I simply copy the master prompt. Once copied, head over to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click on the generate button. Then wait for a few moments, and just boom! Oh my God, viewers, my 10 complete content ideas are now ready. Along with that, I have received image prompts, video prompts, voiceovers, and a consistent character prompt. One important thing to remember is that you should paste the consistent character prompt into every image prompt. This will ensure that your skeleton character remains identical throughout the entire video, maintaining perfect consistency from scene to scene. Now you can review all the generated prompts one by one. As you can see, the results are absolutely amazing. Every prompt is professionally structured and ready to use. Once your prompts are generated, simply copy them and save them in a document file so that you can easily access them later. Now let's move to the image generation tool that I will be using today, which is Flow AI. Viewers, simply open the Flow AI website. This platform is completely free to use and provides access to powerful models such as Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana 2 Pro. I will select Nano Banana 2, choose my preferred aspect ratio, paste my first image prompt, and click on the Generate button. As you can see, the image generation process has started. At this point, all you need is a little patience. Wait a few moments while the AI creates the image. And just boom! Oh my God, viewers, my first image is ready. Take a look at this result. This is absolutely incredible. The quality is impressive, the details are sharp, and the skeleton character looks fantastic. Next, I copy my second prompt, paste it into the tool, and click Generate once again. After waiting for a few seconds, boom! My second image is ready as well. Once again, the quality is amazing, and the consistency of the character is perfectly maintained. Now I continue the same process with the third prompt, fourth prompt, fifth prompt, sixth prompt, seventh prompt, and all the remaining prompts. I simply paste each prompt one by one, generate the images, and allow the AI to create all the required scenes. After generating all the images, I will show you the final results. And after waiting for a little while, just boom! Oh my God, viewers! All of my images are now completely ready. Take a look at them one by one. Every single image looks fantastic. The quality is extremely high. The style remains consistent. The character design is identical throughout. The eyes match perfectly. The anatomy remains the same. And every scene looks professional. Now, I simply download all of these images in 2K quality to achieve even better visual results. Once the download process is complete, we are ready for the next step. And viewers, as I promised earlier, today I am bringing you another completely free tool. So without wasting any more time, let's move on to the next tool. Okay, viewers, now open the website PixVerse AI. Today, I'm going to show you how you can get free credits from PixVerse AI and generate videos with audio completely free of cost. This platform is currently one of the most trending AI video generation tools available. First of all, you need to log in using any Gmail account. Simply sign in with Google and complete the login process. Once you're logged in, you'll notice that PixVerse AI provides 90 free credits. On top of that, it also gives 30 free credits daily, which is absolutely amazing. So don't worry, this tool is 100% free to use. With the initial 90 credits on a single Gmail account, you can easily create 3 to 4 high-quality AI videos. Now, scroll down and you'll find the video option. As you can see, there is also an image option available, but today we are focusing on video generation. So simply click on Video. Next, I'll select my preferred settings. For the resolution, choose 360p. The reason is simple. At 360p, PixVerse AI only consumes around 25 credits per generation, helping you maximize your free credits. For the aspect ratio, you can select whichever format suits your content. If you're creating YouTube Shorts, choose a vertical aspect ratio. Then set the duration to 6 seconds. At this duration, the platform uses around 30 credits, allowing you to generate approximately 3 complete videos using the free credits. Now make sure to enable the audio option. Also select PixVerse V6, which is their latest and most advanced model. Next, I'll upload my first image. After uploading the image, I'll select the corresponding prompt. Then I'll copy the video prompt, paste it into the prompt section, and click on the Generate button. Okay, viewers, my first video has now started generating. At this stage, you just need a little patience. Usually, PixVerse AI takes only 20 to 30 seconds to generate the final result. After a short wait, just boom! Oh my God, viewers, take a look at this result. This is absolutely amazing. In just a few seconds, PixVerse AI has created a highly engaging 6-second video complete with audio. The motion looks smooth, the animation is impressive, and the overall quality is fantastic. Honestly, when it comes to free AI video generation tools, PixVerse AI is currently one of the most powerful and trending platforms available. Now let's move on to the second image. Once again, I'll upload my second image, paste the matching video prompt, and click on Generate. As you can see, the second video is now being processed. Again, all you need is a little patience while the AI works its magic. And after a short wait, the final result is ready. Just look at this. The animation is smooth, the movement feels natural, and the video is extremely engaging. This is exactly the type of content that performs well on Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. Now let's create the final shot. I'll upload my third image, paste the corresponding prompt, and click on Generate one more time. Remember, each clip is approximately 6 seconds long. That means after generating 3 clips, you'll have around 18 to 20 seconds of content ready to edit and upload. After waiting a few moments, boom! My final shot is now ready, and once again, the result looks incredible. The animation quality is excellent, the character remains consistent, and the overall output is highly engaging. Now, what should you do next? Simply download all of your generated videos and save them to your device. Once all the clips are downloaded, it's time for the editing stage. For editing, open CapCut and import all of your generated videos into the timeline. When you add the clips, you'll notice the PixVerse AI watermark or logo on the screen. To remove it, simply use the scale option, zoom into the video slightly, and reposition the frame so the logo is no longer visible. And now, take a look at the final result. You can see that this entire video has been created using completely free AI tools. All of my clips are ready, the editing is complete, and now I simply need to export the final project. And oh my God, viewers, the final output looks absolutely amazing. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found this new free AI tool helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more viral niches, free AI tools, and step-by-step tutorials.